Reiter here for Aktion Associates. This is the first in a series of Estimator on the Street. And so what we're doing here is I'm just wanting to show you how easy it is to look at the systems that are being employed on construction projects and how easy it is to do an estimate in detail or in summary level, your choice. Take a look. Take a quick look at these systems that are out here. I'm standing out here where there's going to be some paving, but we have your standard 12 by 24 curb and gutter. Very easy, very simple. It's not a big, huge run of it. And so these are probably done with a machine or possibly formed in place with maybe steel or wood forms. So let's take a look.
Okay, welcome back. This is the quick run through to show you Sage estimating, and as you can see, I already have created or actually input a few items into the spreadsheet, and all you really need to do at this point is to click on the takeout quantity cell and input your quantity. Your quantity could be even manually put in here, or if you have e-takeoff, it would automatically go in there if you so choose. And so if you put in a quantity, whatever that might be, and I'll just type in 3,000 or 2,000 linear feet, and you'll see it extends it out to the sell price, the cost side versus the sell price. You'll notice the crew makeup is sitting over here. You click on that button, it shows you what makes up the crew. That's a nice feature to see. We actually see there's 6 people. You see your man-hour production rates, and now you see the rate, and you see all the rates could be different if they are. You could actually look at where these came from, and we actually have rate tables with every different type of craft member has a different hourly rate. But when they're put into a crew, they automatically get blended, and you get a blended number over here. As you can see, after markups are applied and allocated, it takes the cost number, whether it's $7.92 a foot or $15,849, allocates it or spreads it into the cell number of $22,869 or $11.43 per linear foot for a 1224 concrete curb and gutter using a machine. There you go. Sage estimating. Real fast and real easy.